What's up, everybody? Hey, Chad Boyle, eXp Realty, Atlanta, Georgia. Today, I just want to talk about, have you ever droned on at a listing presentation? Now, I think the longest listing presentation I ever had was I held these people hostage in their own house for like 2 hours and 45 minutes. I did get the listing signed. I got it signed at 7%, but it took a long time. Now, I think that's probably the exception to the rule because the human brain can only, only has so much attention span. And so right now I'm working on really having this awareness and being purposeful on how long my listing presentation is, each part, how long should it be, how long does it take. Now, when you're asking questions and trying to, figure out what their situation is, that may take a little bit longer. I think you got to be flexible there. But where I think you can be, pretty precise is in your presentation, and you can work on that and you can get that down to where you have a complete presentation when you're talking of less than 20 minutes. And, you got to be mindful of your time. So if it, there's some checkpoints in the listing presentation where along the way you need to be looking for signs that, hey, do I need to bail out of this thing? Because, hey, if I can get out of here, save myself an hour, I can get back, to the office and get on the phone. So post in the comments, what is your longest listing presentation that you ever had? And did you get the listing? And we will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.